A new era of tech innovation. El Salvador abolishes taxes on technological advancements. Good morning, lovely people. I greet you with love. I wish you a wonderful day. Let's get started with today's blog. El Salvador has taken a groundbreaking step towards becoming a technological hub with the recent signing of the Innovation and Technology Manufacturing Incentive Act by President Nayib Bukele. The new legislation eliminates taxes on various technology innovations, providing an environment that fosters growth and development in the tech sector. A bold move for technological advancement. The Innovation and Technology Manufacturing Incentive Act, signed into law by President Bukele, removes taxes on technology innovations, including income, property, capital gains, and tariffs. This bold move aims to attract technology companies and investors to El Salvador, positioning the country as a global leader in the tech industry. The new law covers a wide range of tech-related fields such as software and app programming, artificial intelligence, AI, and computer and communications hardware manufacturing. This comprehensive approach ensures that El Salvador remains dedicated to cultivating a diverse range of technological innovations, overcoming regulatory hurdles. In the global tech landscape, certain innovations, like generative AI and cryptocurrencies, have faced challenges due to unclear or restrictive regulations. For instance, the recent digital asset mining energy (DAME) excise tax imposed by the U.S. government has created barriers to growth in the digital asset mining sector. El Salvador's new law aims to counter these challenges by providing a more supportive and conducive environment for technological innovation. By removing taxes and fostering a business-friendly atmosphere, the country is positioning itself as a haven for tech companies and investors seeking fewer regulatory hurdles. The future of technology in El Salvador. The Innovation and Technology Manufacturing Incentive Act demonstrates El Salvador's commitment to technological advancement and economic development. By creating a favorable environment for tech companies, the country hopes to attract talent and investments that will bolster its economy and elevate its position on the global stage. It remains to be seen how this new legislation will impact the country's tech ecosystem overall. However, one thing is clear. El Salvador's bold move to remove taxes on technological innovations marks a significant step towards fostering a thriving tech industry and unlocking the potential of innovative advancements. Source: BitcoinNews.com. I'm not an expert on blockchain, banking, or finance. I'm simply documenting my journey on the evolution of money and Web3. I'm not a financial advisor. We appreciate that you took the time out of your busy day to watch our content. We upload content frequently. Thanks for your support.